Question is now asking what is the value of this particular expression. You can clearly see here theta is lying in the first quadrant, so no complications here. This problem should be absolutely easy to solve. So now what to do? I can write like this. Now 3 sin theta minus cos theta the whole square plus 6 times sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta and plus 4 sin square theta the whole cube. Is it okay? So I can say 3 times here sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 6. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. We have discussed in the synopsis of trigonometry. 4 times sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta the whole cube. Here there is a whole square, no? Here there is a whole square. Okay. So 3 times sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta only, the whole square, plus 6 sin 2 theta plus this is of the form a minus b the whole cube. What is the formula? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into what is it? A minus b. So your answer to the question will be 1 minus cos to the power 6 theta minus 3 cos squared theta into 1 minus cos squared theta. Is it okay? 1 minus cos squared theta. So what is your answer that we get? 3 times 1 plus sin squared 2 theta plus 2 sin 2 theta plus 6 sin 2 theta plus 4 minus 4 cos to the power 6 theta minus 12 cos squared theta plus 12 cos to the power 4 theta. Is it okay? Plus 12 cos to the power 4 theta. So we will be left with 3 times or 3 plus 3 sin squared 2 theta can be written as 1 minus cos squared 2 theta plus 6 sin 2 theta plus 6. This is minus, right? Here this is minus. So this is minus. So minus 6 sin 2 theta plus 6 sin 2 theta, of which these two terms will get cancelled, right? Plus 4 minus of 4 cos to the power 6 theta minus 12 cos squared theta plus 12 cos to the power 4 theta. Is it okay? 12 cos to the power 4 theta. So your answer to the question will be 3 plus 3 minus 3 cos squared 2 theta 3 cos squared 2 theta plus 6 plus 4 minus 4 cos to the power 6 theta minus 12 cos squared theta plus 12 cos to the power 4 theta. Is it okay? So now we can say 6 plus 4 10 plus 3 13 plus 3 will be 16 minus of 3 cos squared 2 theta. 3 cos squared 2 theta can be written as cos theta can be written as 2 cos squared theta minus 1 the whole square, right? The whole square minus 4 cos to the power 6 theta minus 12 cos squared theta plus 12 cos to the power 4 theta. Look at this carefully. Cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos squared theta minus 1. So what can we do here now? We will expand this and we'll get the answer to the question. 16 minus 3 times. So this will be of the form 4 cos to the power 4 theta plus 1 minus of 4 cos squared theta minus 4 cos squared theta minus 4 cos to the power 6 theta minus 12 cos squared theta plus 12 cos to the power 4 theta. So what will happen when you expand this? 16 16 minus 3 will be 13. So 12 cos to the power 4 theta and minus plus 12 to the power 4 cos theta will get cancelled. Plus 12 cos square theta and minus 12 cos square theta will get cancelled. So you are left with the 13 minus 4 cos to the power 6 theta. This will be the answer to the question. Will be the answer to the question.